Okay, today, December 19, 2008, it's the second wave of snowstorms coming back to West Michigan. And so again, I take this time to take the actual snowstorm falling for everybody out there, especially the one who live in a warmer climate in our world, to see. Okay, and today it worse than last time that I post on the YouTube. Today is windy, very windy, and I think this storm happened sometime this morning. I would say around 2:30, 3 o'clock, while most of us were sleeping. And right now it's 10:45 in the morning. Okay, so I'm gonna turn around and let you guys see what's it like. Again, this is where the neighborhood where I live, and you can see the visibility there. It's not as good, and imagine this thing happened during the night time and the people had to drive back and forth to work, and at night time it's going to be very dark if during the day the visibility is this bad. I see there's one car there stuck in the snow already. So that's right in the middle of the road. So that's about, from here to that home, I would say probably a quarter of a mile. But you see the visibility, it's bad. See this one too. See that the top of the tree there, that would say probably almost a mile away from here, so you can't see anything. Yeah, I'm gonna go in, and my legs here get wet, and it's cold. It's pretty cold, especially with the wind. Alright, you guys take care. I hope you guys find this information and pictures somewhat useful and enjoy. Okay, bye.